GlitzGlamFam, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do an Ipsy versus Boxycharm video, so let me just show you guys. And you just tell me like which one you think won. Okay, so this is the Ipsy Plus versus the Boxycharm for January 2021. So guys, if you want to see what I got, also I'm going to announce the last Boxycharm winner and do another giveaway in this video. Keep watching. Okay guys, so, and make sure to subscribe. You guys need to subscribe. Watch the whole video because you need to get my watch time up, okay? Don't just fast forward to see who the giveaway winner is. Because I'll post a video and literally not 5 minutes later, people are like, I didn't win. I'm like, I'm sorry. Like, I have a million giveaways going on. But, you know, stay tuned. Stay tuned, okay? Keep watching until the end. Okay, so should we do Boxycharm or Ipsy first? Let's do it. They're actually both really heavy, so let's... Is my lash falling? Hold on. No, I just redid this lash. Okay, should we move the hair out the way? Okay, let's move the hair out the way. Okay, so yeah, so let's do Ipsy first. I haven't opened an Ipsy in a while on my channel. So I guess the theme is dream. Dream, 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 dream. Okay, so you get 5 items, exclusive for Ipsy members, introducing refreshments. Member pricing starts at $5. I don't know what this is. This is also, you're invited to experience Glam Bag X. I already upgraded for my Glam Bag X, so yeah. Because I had to see what it was all about, and I see a Huda, which I love, so I was like, oh, they have Huda? Okay, I'll subscribe. Okay, so the first thing is this pouch right here, and this is LaRoucheBeauty.com, which is kind of like an envelope type thing, Pat McGrath style. Speaking of which, I just did a Pat McGrath order today. I never had anything from her, and I was like, I don't think I picked this. I definitely didn't pick this brush set again. Oh, Lord. Ooh, I see a nice highlight brush. And I was just, like, about to go buy one. All right, they're lucky I was about to go buy one. Okay, so this is a brush set, which I love brush sets, but I don't think I chose this. I definitely didn't choose this. Yeah, I definitely didn't choose this. Oh, this would be a good contour brush. Nice. Okay. And 2 eyeshadow brushes. Okay. All right. I'll give you that, but I didn't choose this. Ipsy. Okay. So this is Perlissi Balanced Moisturizer. I feel like I maybe chose this. I don't really remember. But I know I didn't choose the brushes. What is it? Is this for prep skin for makeup? Oh, okay, so moisturizer. You could always use a moisturizer. And it says it preps for makeup. So I actually just put 3 moisturizers on before I did this look. Okay, this is Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Oil Dragon Fruit. I feel like I got this already. See, that's the thing with, you know, Boxycharm and Ipsy. Like, yeah, I definitely got this already. Or it was a different brand, but it was definitely a lip, like a pink lip oil. I got that before. Cute packaging. But it's like, I feel like they're gonna run out of items to give people because, you know, oh, Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. So 2 moisturizers. Okay, this Kate Summer, what? This is completely opened. This is opened and ran through. Oh my God. This is opened and scratched and ran through. Wow. It's like has scratches all over it. And it's opened right here. Okay. Oh my God. Yeah, this is definitely opened or spilt or something. It spilled all over my pants. Yeah. Goat milk moisturizer. That's so, I mean, it already spilt. I don't know. Is the inside of the box okay? The inside is okay except this part right here. I don't know. I guess I'll put it on my hand since it already spilled. It got on my pants. Ipsy, but I've been over Ipsy for a while, honestly. Because it's just like kind of boring a little bit to me. But I don't know. This kind of did, it was cool. Okay. Okay, I'm not trying to drag, but this seemed cool, but because it was perfume and I love perfume, so let's smell it. It's a rollerball. Oh God. This smells so horrible. I'm a perfume lover. I'm a perfume lover, and this smells so horrible. Southern Alaska, Arctic warm woodlands, juniper, spearmint, fear, balm, apple seed, or amber. This smells like a Christmas tree mixed with a man. Oh my God, no. No, no, no. MC, what the You pick no damn brushes. You give me an open goat milk. Oh my God, let's do the Boxycharm. Let's do the Boxycharm, y'all. Oh my God. I can't. I cannot. Ipsy, you know damn well. I've been getting Ipsy since like 2016. They know damn well. Okay, let me move on. Ipsy, y'all are playing with me. All right, this is Boxycharm. So the first thing is this lip balm, Bally Balm. I didn't choose anything. Like, this is all random. What I got here is all random. This is lip balm, sweet orange coconut lip balm. I can't. It's Christmas tree. It's like a Christmas tree. Why would someone want to smell like a Christmas tree? It's a Christmas tree mixed with a man. Why? Why are y'all playing with me? Okay, Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Eye cream. I don't know. I can't even get over. This is Pharmacy Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. Another moisturizer. Ooh. Okay, let's see this one. Nice packaging. This reminds me of my IT Cosmetics. It literally is this. This smells like old folks. Okay. Okay, the next thing I have is this, the Velvet Palettes from Ciate. It feels amazing, very, it feels matte and whatever. And it has rose gold on here, and it's extremely pretty. Like a lot of, you know, nudes, pinks, all that. This is pretty. This is really pretty. I love a peach, clearly. And then the last thing I got was, this is not in a sleeve or anything, so y'all, I don't know. Ace Beauté, and this is Bronzed in Paradise bronzer. So this, I mean, let's try it and see. I just can't even get over that Christmas tree smell. So this is the second darkest. Oh, wow. Pigmented. Good thing I didn't use the darkest one. Wonder how they knew I was black. I didn't do the quiz or anything. Because they surely gave me a light something. Oh, actually, matter of fact, I need to give that away. It's like a light face palette. And I'm like, girl. All this chocolate, that ain't gonna work. Okay, so to me, the Boxycharm definitely won. Boxycharm definitely won, hands down. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. I'm trying to air out this Christmas tree smell. Yeah, leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? Who won the Boxycharm versus Ipsy January 2021 battle? And the giveaway winner for the last Boxycharm video, I'm going to put here. Okay, and to enter the giveaway for next time, the next unboxing, what you're gonna have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, also leave a comment down below with what your favorite video from my mystery box series was. So you can check out my mystery box series playlist and just let me know which was your favorite video and your favorite item from that video. So good luck on the giveaways, guys. I am going to do a subscriber appreciation giveaway where I'm just going to randomly pick like 5 subscribers or something, put their name in the video, contact me to claim your prize. So I'm going to film that probably in a couple days. I also filmed the Urban Decay giveaway winner video in this look. It's not much of a look, but I filmed it anyway. Maybe you could learn one piece of makeup tip out of it. If you learn one thing, I did my job, okay? Or if you get one piece of makeup, I did my job. Yeah, guys, until the next video, thanks so much for watching. Bye.